Is that what you say when you're done? Thank you. Oh, that's nice. That's a good mess. Yeah, that's great, Ray. Thank you. Here, give it to me. Give it to me. Do you want some more? Do you want some more?
Bye.
Bye. Thank you. Thank you. You're welcome. Yeah. Really? Wow. Whoa, Chugs. So big. Thank you. Uh-oh. What happened? Drop it? Oh. Can you say hi? Say hi, Grandma. I'm gonna rip your tray off. Okay. You're messy. You're a super messy dude.
I know. Wait.
You've even got it in your hair. Can you say bye-bye? Ray, what are you doing, Destructo? You want Dune? Do you want Dune? Do you want him? You gonna take it off? Ready to get down?